Welcome friends, this is Sam again. So in this lecture I will show you the sample of ChatGPT with having the possibility of code correction. Let's say you have a code and you are having some kind of bug. You can say this as a bug fixer also, or correct the code whatever. So I have purposely made some mistakes in this small code actually, and I want him to solve my code actually. Okay, so I am trying to send this code wherein I have purposely mistaken the value of var variable. Okay, so you see here in the beginning, and it has made it correct and responded me with the this one. So this was the example. Look, this was the very small example which the ChatGPT is fixing, but generally let's say you have 200 lines of code and you are not understanding what is the problem, so you can paste it here and you can send that text. And why I am not sending, because I will be charged for that much big information, but this is just a use case which I am showing. You can make the use of it. It's very important and very good thing. It will fix your issue and it will make it workable actually, don't worry. So if you see here code correction, what I am sending as a prompt is code correction. Actually you see, correct this code, this, and then the code whatever I want it to correct. So this instruction is very important, whatever you are writing. So all you have to do is use the proper prompt actually, and I am not using any kind of other variables like top underscore p and other variables which will rectify the or make the different give the different answers, but you can play around with it. I am just giving you a helping hand so that you can do it by your own. You don't need to fear with ChatGPT APIs, because generally many students ask me this might be very difficult. It's very simple actually. It does not take much time to learn. The only good thing is how you integrate it with your use cases. This is very important. So you need to think about it. But I would say try this APIs. I am giving this code. Try this and let me know if there is any issue. Don't forget to change the API key actually, and accordingly it will work. So thank you very much for staying with me. Let's move to the next video.